Hi first graders, welcome to StartSmart week 3 day 4. So we're going to read our sentence first. Let me grab a darker, a bigger color. Okay, here we go. I like a bike. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 seconds for our capital. 3, 2, 1. I. Look at our end mark. 3, 2, 1. Period. I like a bus. 2. Okay, capital letter. 3, 2, 1. I. End mark. 3, 2, 1. Period. Here we go again. How do you get around? Capital 3, 2, 1. H. And here's our one that looks a little different. 3, 2, 1. Question mark. How do you get around? Okay, friends, remember this is our box and these are the sounds. Okay, so in our class we do it with fingers. So if I say van, I'm going to go v, and n. 3 sounds. Okay, let's do some of those. Up, up. 2 sounds. Fun, f, n. 3 sounds. Sun, s, n. 3 sounds. Rug, g. 3 sounds. At, 2 sounds. Mat, at. 3 sounds. Vet, v, et. 3 sounds. Get, g, et. 3 sounds. Bit, b, it. 3 sounds. It, 2 sounds. Last one. Fit, f, it. 3 sounds. Whoops. Okay, friends, this is the box card, and we have uppercase and lowercase x. The name of the letter is X. The sound is x, x. The sound is x. You'll write uppercase X and lowercase x a little bit later. This is the volcano card. This is uppercase and lowercase v. Uppercase and lowercase v. That is the name. The sound is v, like a volcano. V. The sound, do it with me, is v. Okay, we'll move on. We're going to write uppercase and lowercase v. Okay, we have another one. We have the Queen card, and the Queen card has uppercase and lowercase q. The name of these letters is Q. Uppercase and lowercase q. Okay, the sound is qu, and some of you might remember you put your hands together like a queen and go qu, qu, qu. So that's the qu sound. Okay, we have uppercase Q and lowercase q. Now, Q is always with a U. So that's what you'll see, and it's going to be qu. Okay, here we go across with X first. X, 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 x. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. B. Let me scroll up. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. D. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. G. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. K. 3, 2, 1. O. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. P. 3, 2, 1. Qu. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. S. 3, 2, 1. T. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. V. 3, 2, 1. W. 3, 2, 1. X. Okay, friends, now we're going to blend. Here we go. 6. The word is 6. Here we go. Mix. The word is mix. Van. The word is van. Now remember, it's not it'd be qua. Qua it. The word is quit. Okay, let's blend. Axe. Word is axe. Can't blend yet. Now blend. Wax. Word is wax. Mix. Word is mix. Ooh, this is going to be a name. Blend. Max. Word is max. Okay, this is qua. Here we go. Quit. Word is quit. Okay. Qua. Quick. Word is quick. Lick. Word is lick. Sick. Word is sick. Okay, here are our sentences. We have a capital I. I am quick. Read it with me. I am quick. And then we have an exclamation mark. We're excited. Do we have a capital? Yes. Do we have finger space? Yes. Do we have an end mark? Yes. What is it? Exclamation mark. Do we have good handwriting? Yes. Do we have good spelling? Yes. That's a 5-star sentence. Okay, here's our next one. The vet can fix it. Let's read it together. The vet can fix it. Capital letter, yes. Finger space, yes. Good handwriting, yes. Spelling, yes. And end mark, what's my end mark? Period. Nice job, friends. So that's a 5-star sentence. Okay, we are listening for or v. Okay, so or v. Violin. What's that first sound? Violin. 3, 2, 1. V. Queen. What's that first sound? Queen. 3, 2, 1. Qu. This is van. Van. 3, 2, 1. V. Quilt. Quilt. 3, 2, 1. Qu. This is a vase. Vase. 3, 2, 1. V. This is a question. Question. 3, 2, 1. Qu. Sorry, I didn't wait that time. Okay, say each letter name, say each picture, then write X below the picture if it ends in the same sound as fox. So this is axe. So think in your head, axe. Does that have a x at the end? It does. Duck. Duck. Does that have a x at the end? No, that has a k. Okay, last one here. 6. 6. It does. Okay, friends, this is the word see. Say it with me. See. The word see, you spell the word see, S-E-E. Spell it with me. S-E-E. Let's write it in the air. S-E-E-E. And the sentence is, I see a bird in the sky. Now this one's very tricky. This is the word said. Say it with me. Said. She said hello. The word said is spelled S-A-I-D. Spell it with me. S-A-I-D. Let's write it in the air. S-A-I-D. Now said is tricky because you can't sound it out. S-A-I-D. Nope, you just have to know it's said. Okay, let's write the word, this is the word was. Say it with me. Was. The word was is spelled W-A. The word was is spelled W-A-S. Do it with me. Spell it with me. W-A-S. Let's write it in the air. W-A-S. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 seconds. These are words we know. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. You. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Like. 3, 2, 1. He. 3, 2, 1. Has. 3, 2, 1. Do. 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. This. 3, 2, 1. 2. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3, 2, 1. My. 3, 2, 1. here. 3, 2, 1, we. 3, 2, 1, look. 3, 2, 1, play. 3, 2, 1, are. 3, 2, 1, little. 3, 2, 1, the. 3, 2, 1, me. 3, 2, 1, where. I'm going to go back here because I forgot a word. 3, 2, 1, is. 3, 2, 1, she. 3, 2, 1, with. 3, 2, 1, for. 3, 2, 1, and last, the word kind of got cut up. 3, 2, 1, have. Okay, this is our last part. We're just going to read this story. He and she go. He was sad. Your turn. Have this, she said. Your turn. See, he is happy. Your turn. He and she go. Your turn. Okay, friends, that's the end. We're done for today. Nice job reading, and I'll see you tomorrow.